Greetings from the next road trip. Get a unique behind-the-scenes look at the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome, a mobile masterpiece that redefines luxury and adventure. A great illustration of Chevrolet's continuous dedication to innovation and longevity is the company's most recent motorhome, which features an aerodynamic design that combines strong, contemporary aesthetics with vintage Chevy aspects. Its massive V8 engine is hidden by its svelte body. It might be a 6.6L Duramax Turbo-Diesel V8 with 470 horsepower, 350 kilowatts, and 1,322 Newton-meters, 975 lb-ft of torque, or a gasoline-powered V8 with 401 horsepower, 299 kilowatts, and 629 Newton-meters, 464 lb-ft. These engines, together with a quick 10-speed automatic gearbox, provide you the power and economy to handle any road trip, whether you're traveling down the highway or up the mountains. A contemporary, ergonomic dashboard that maximizes comfort and control greets you as soon as you walk in. Among the main selling points are a large, perhaps 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, a top-notch sound system, and easy navigation. Behind it, a fully digital instrument cluster displays all of the important driving data. Thanks to high-quality materials and conveniently located tactile controls, every element, from upholstery to trim, has an opulent appearance when traveling. The inside of the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is intended to be a roomy, multi-purpose living area. The living area, kitchen, and bedroom can all flow together in harmony because to the open-plan layout. Every nook and cranny is decorated with high-end materials including leather seats, hardwood flooring, and sophisticated metal or carbon fiber accents. When parked, a motorized slide-out feature gives you unexpected room by expanding the living area. The enormous panoramic windows provide breathtaking views in every direction, and the ambient LED lighting can be adjusted to create the ideal atmosphere at all times. The master bedroom provides a peaceful haven after a long day of travel. Its luxurious mattress and cozy queen or king-size bed provide a good night's sleep. There may be lots of storage space in a large closet with sliding or folding doors, and bedside tables may include Wi-Fi and USB charging outlets. A personal entertainment system that includes a flat-screen TV and a cozy reading light enhances your leisure time. This 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome's bathroom was intended to be both fashionable and practical. A glass door makes it easy to move about, and there is a full-size shower with a rainforest showerhead and sufficient water pressure. Luxurious facilities include a ceramic toilet with a strong flush mechanism, a huge mirror with built-in lighting, and a sophisticated sink with a high-end faucet. Innovative cabinet storage and easily cleaned, moisture-resistant materials provide functionality without compromising style. Prepare to cook delicious dishes in this well-thought-out kitchen. A huge double sink, a microwave and convection oven, a multi-burner gas or induction cooktop, and a refrigerator and freezer the size of a house are some of its opulent stainless steel amenities. In addition to being functional, sturdy solid surface counters are fashionable. All of your kitchenware is kept tidy and organized thanks to the upper cabinet's ample storage space and soft-close bottom drawers. Enjoying the trip is more important than getting where you're going when driving a 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome. The objective of this mobile house is to enjoy as many experiences as possible. Are you prepared to go on your next adventure?